Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax refund errors quickly. Yeah, if your refund isn't processing or there's an error showing when you try to submit, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're expecting money back. But most of the time, it's actually easy to fix once you check a few important things. So first, check your refund status using the IRS, Where's My Refund tool. This shows real-time updates and helps you see if your return is still being processed, approved, or sent. Next, review your tax return carefully. Even small mistakes like incorrect social security numbers, missing information, or typos can trigger refund errors. Make sure everything matches exactly with your documents. After that, verify your bank account details if you chose direct deposit. Even a small mistake in the routing or account number can prevent your refund from being processed. Also, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and ensure your e-file submission meets IRS requirements. And yeah, sometimes the IRS system is busy or under maintenance, which can cause delays or errors. Check their server status if your refund isn't showing progress. Finally, once corrections are made, resubmit your return. Most of the time, these steps should resolve refund errors and get your payment processed successfully. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.